Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to generate continuous printing for a sale bill in Logic ERP. To begin, head to the Inventory module. Next, expand the Continuous Printing section and open Sale Bill. Clicking on the Search button displays all available sale bills in the system. You may also refine the results by applying filters to view only cancelled bills or unprinted bills as required. Let us proceed without applying any filters and review all the available bills. From the list, select the specific bills for which you wish to generate the printout. Once the bills are selected, the window displays the details of the selected bills. Under the Choose Printing drop-down menu, you can view the available printing formats and select the appropriate format for printing the sale bills. In the default remarks field, you can enter any standard note or message that you would like to appear on the printed sale bill. The printer port drop-down allows you to select the specific printer connection through which the documents will be printed. The page number option allows you to specify a particular pages to be printed instead of printing the entire document. In the Copies per Bill field, you can specify the number of copies you want to print for each selected sale bill. Now, click on Start Printing to proceed with continuous printing. By clicking Yes, you can view the print preview of the selected document before printing. Clicking No will print all the selected documents at once, without displaying the print preview for each document. Let's proceed by clicking on Yes to view the print preview. As you can see, the print preview of the selected sale bills is now displayed. The remarks entered in the default remarks field are also reflected on each printed sale bill. If you wish to hide the party's current account balance from appearing on the sale bill, you can enable the option Do not print current account balance. Let us review its effect in the print preview. As observed, the sale bill print no longer displays the party's current account balance across all the selected bills. You can also take a printout directly from this screen by clicking on the print icon. Let us proceed with printing directly from this screen. The sales bills have now been printed. Do not print bills once printed option stops the system from reprinting bills that have already been printed, allowing only unprinted bills to be processed. Let's enable this option and observe its functionality by attempting to reprint the same bills that we just printed. As observed, when reprinting is attempted, the system displays an information message stating that there is nothing to print, indicating that all selected bills have already been printed.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.